6698 is a swing arm tire changer with dual assist arms, 009 left help arm and 098D right help arm. A basic machine without help arm, it can change a common tire without a problem. Upgrade the basic swing arm tire changer with a right help arm 098D. It allows the technicians to deal with the low profile tires with less efforts. The 098D help arm is a patented device. Use it to build a gap between rim and the duck head that it allows the lever easily insert into the gap and put the bead on the duck head when demounting. For run flat tire changing, we recommend to change tires with double help arms. We added a 009 left help arm together with 098D. It provides a 2 points pressing force to make tire changing easier. Ask for a simple upgrade. Solutions from Unite is worthy to try.